How to get a solution to the problem Word experienced an error trying to open the file when opening a Word document. Hello everyone and welcome back. On today's video, we'll be talking about some of the solutions that you can use to solve this problem. Sometimes if you have downloaded a file or folder from the Word from other computer, your computer might have blocked the file. So first option is to unblock the file. To do so, navigate to the location where the file is saved. You can find it through the File Explorer and the Download section. Once you have reached to the Download section, you have to select the file that you want to open. Now what you can do is right-click on the file and then click on Properties. If you cannot see it on the first page, click on Show More Options and go to Properties. Now on the bottom you will see a security reason along with a checkbox. Click on the checkbox for unlocking and tap on Apply and OK. Now if you add the file location and try to open it, it should work. Likewise, for the next solution, open your Microsoft Word. Once it is open, click on the Options, and once tapped on Options, you have to click on another option which is called as Trust Center on the left. Then tap on Trust Center Settings. Now from the side location, click on Trust Locations. If the location where your file is saved is not listed, click on Add New Location. Click on Browse and navigate to the folder where the file is saved. Now just select it and click on OK. Check the box of folders of this location are also trusted and then click on OK to close all the dialog boxes. Now that is done, close the Word and try to open the file again, and it should work. Likewise, the other solution is to open the Microsoft Word using the Open and Repair feature. For this, open your Word file. For this, you have to tap on the file which is present on the top left corner. After that, click on the Browse or the Open option. Go to Browse Settings and then choose the file that you want to open. But this time, instead of Open, click on this drop-down menu and from there, select Open and Repair. And this should probably solve the issue. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.